Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanilla 0 in League of Legends. It's a simple fix. Here's what you're gonna do. You wanna go to search and type in settings. And once you open settings, you wanna click on privacy and security. Click on Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. It will open a new window. You wanna go to this one, the first one. It says settings for virus and threat protection. Click on manage and then scroll all the way down till you find exclusions. Once you're here, you want to click here add and then click allow. And here you want to click on plus, and you want to take the folder or select the folder, not the file folder. And you want to go to local C and then find Riot Games and then select it, click once on it and then click select folder and it will add it here. And once you've done that, you want to exit out of this, go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. It will open this window, click allow an app or feature through firewall, click change settings, allow another app, click browse, go to local disk C, Riot Games, League of Legends, and then League Client, this one with the most kilobytes, 29.74. Then click open and add, but for you it will add it. For me it's already there. I'll show you now. And you want to take it for both public and private. Click OK and close this out. And the last thing you want to do, just to make sure it works, you want to go to run. In run you want to type in this services.msc, click OK. Click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. You want to switch this to automatic, click apply, OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration. It will open this window. Go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find this VGC. You want to untick it and take it back again so it's blue. Click apply. Okay, it will ask you to restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, your game should work fine. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanilla 0 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.